My healthy food loving friends, today we are taking a little trip right here in my kitchen. We are bringing the bold flavors of Mexico straight to your plate. We are going to make the ultimate delicious Mexican avocado and chicken salad with a healthy twist. Traditionally, I have seen my Mexican friends enjoying this salad with crunchy tostadas. That's delicious. It's a kind of Mexican chips, almost like our Indian popper. But in this channel, we are all about making healthy choices. So, what do you think we are using instead? Stick around, and you will see it's a game changer. Hello, my wonderful viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Tiash at the Red, California. If you are new here, I'm Tiash, a professional health coach in California. In this channel, I share healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips twice a week. If that resonates with your desire and goal, please consider subscribing into this channel. First thing first, let's prep our fresh ingredients. Don't worry, you will get a free printable version of the grocery list in the description box below. Please check it out and download it. I started with chopping my vegetables for this salad. Our first goal is adding more veggies. Always remember 50% vegetables. Here I am using onion, mini sweet peppers, purple cabbage and cherry tomatoes. I will add cucumber later. I am using boiled and cubed chicken breast for the salad. Now let's create a creamy and flavorful base for our salad. In a large bowl, mash one ripe avocado until smooth. Then stir in 1/4 cup of plain yogurt to make it extra creamy and protein rich. Add salt to taste. Mix it all together until it's smooth and well combined. Here we replaced the sour cream with Greek yogurt, making it more healthy choice. Then add juice of one lime for that fresh tang and little bit smoked paprika for that warm Mexican kick. Mix everything together again. Our healthy, creamy, smooth base is absolutely ready now. Now let's add all the chopped veggies and chicken into the bowl with our creamy avocado mix. Give everything a good stir until it's evenly coated. Now I am adding freshly ground black pepper for a little extra kick, followed by cilantro for a refreshing taste. Let's taste it to check if we need anything to add.
It tastes good, but missing a little more lime juice and a touch of sweetness to achieve that perfect sweet, sour, and spicy balance. For the sweetness, I am adding apple. It will not only add mild sweetness, but also a delightful crunch and boost the health benefits. It's time to give everything a final mix. Let's check the taste one more time. Perfect this time. And here comes the surprise. Instead of using any tostadas or tortillas, we are turning these English cucumbers into delicious cucumber boats. To make the boat, simply slice a cucumber in half lengthwise and then scoop out the seeds to create a little boat. Our boats are ready, but we will not throw this part out, we will use it in our salad mixture. Then spoon this creamy avocado chicken salad into each one and filling them up with all that goodness.
Look at this beauty. Fresh, crunchy, creamy, and packed with bold flavors. Time for the taste test. This is perfect for meal prep, a quick lunch, or even a fun party appetizer. Plus, it's rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you feel energized. Didn't that Mexican chicken avocado salad in cucumber boat look amazing? If you're ready to fill your plate with healthy and delicious meal like this one, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have so many delicious and feel good recipes are coming on your way. And make sure to hit that bell icon because healthy protein rich breakfast recipes are coming next according to your request. Let's keep making healthy eating delicious and fun together. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, healthy, and positive. Bye bye.